And here we go again, folks. 1946 Studebaker pickup. Beautiful truck. Look at the lines as I walk down it. Interior. Dash. Has a 468 big block. It's Pro Touring. There's how wide the tires are. There's the back. When this truck was built, those were the original fenders. They were split. This front end is a full tilt front end. It's got a 468 big block with a blower. That whole thing tilts forward. It's really cool. Unfortunately, I'm not able to open it. There's the wheels. And here's the back. There's how deep that wheel is. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the channel. And I leave you with the image of the bulldog. Thanks for watching.